this is an unboxing of a new tool for the Epilog Laser. I haven't done anything with it yet. It's still in the original box. As you can see right here, it's from Epilog Laser. Pretty good sized box. A little bigger than I expected for what I ordered, but I think this is going to add a lot more variety to the things I can do with the laser. And I'm really excited to do the unboxing and see what it is and get to learning how to use it. So go ahead and start right here. Take a look inside. Careful not to go too deep here. Take the packet slip out. It'll be easier to get in there. Save that for later. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow, lots of pieces of foam. Oh, there is staples. Careful with those. So, we have strips of foam. This is how it came, packaged from Epilog. And then here, as you can see, is a new rotary attachment. Right here, look at that, brand new, straight from the warehouse out of Colorado. That is going to be so awesome to hook up and use. Got something else in here. Oh, the clip. All right, I believe that's it. The instructions are all inside the manual on how to use it. The manual that came with the laser. I'll grab that and show you. This is the one that came with my laser. I keep it nearby, and it will tell you exactly how to hook it up somewhere in here and how to use it. There's a trusty resource to always have on hand. It gives you starting point for different materials on what speed, power, frequency. All that is in here. If it's not in here, you can usually look online, see if there's an updated list on the Epilog's website. Or you can even reach out to customer support and ask them, say, hey, what do you think about this material? You can even send them a sample. They will test it for you and let you know whether or not it's laserable and if it's safe to be lasering or not, and may even give you some pointers on settings to use. So, that is it. Just double check here. There's nothing else in the box. Nothing but foam strips. I may repurpose those in packaging that I use. So, out with the box. And let's see, do I have something? I do. I have something that I'm going to use first and foremost on this. I went and got to the specialty store, as you can see, and I got a couple of these to test on. And the holidays coming up, I figured these little wine glasses would do really well. Do some nice Christmas etching on them. And a set of 4. I may do sell them in sets of 2 or 4. I don't know. We'll see. Right now it's just for testing phase. A few bucks on some sample materials to test around, play with. And yeah, so there you have it. A new rotary attachment, the clip to hold the material in place. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot more about the Epilog laser and lasering and how to build your laser company and everything from there. To give this video a nice thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And make sure you share this video and comment below if you have any questions or would like to see me do a video about anything in particular. Thanks for watching.